Hello, good morning, my fearless ones. It is June 18th, Thursday. It's about 8:30. I don't know if you guys can actually see my screen. I'm doing a visual review. This per request of a subscriber reached out and requested that I actually get into more detail about UOPFX. And if you click the link below, this will be the first screen that you go to. It's pretty much an intro to the academy, is what I call it. I feel like the Ivy League of Forex, if you ask me. This is our visionary here. His name is Reginald Stinson. He started this journey in 2017. It is now 2020, and the platform itself has grown astronomically. um I do apologize for the delay in doing this video, you guys. I've been like remodeling my closet, pretty much taking out everything and changing out hangers and different things like that. I have no clue how a husband and wife share my closet, because I will not share my closet with anyone. I have too many clothes and shoes. Anyway, so and also bear with me because I just went to sleep around 3 o'clock. I've been trading most of the morning. I woke up and closed out a trade about 4 o'clock this morning in profit. And so let's get to it. So once you actually pay for the program, you will be able to log in. And I can't show you everything, of course, due to proprietary, reasons. I can't show you everything, but I will give you a glimpse inside of the academy if you're on the fence and your UOP is a good fit for you. So here it is loading up, and I've been trading on this computer all night, so it's just kind of, it's loading very, very slow. I did a disk scan, so maybe I just need to log out altogether. Share slowing down. Okay, so welcome to members area. And if you know, the members area give you an intro video, if this is your first time ever logging in, blah blah. Of course, I do not look at that. And this is a touch screen computer, so let's see if I touch it. I'm actually moving myself. Okay, so yeah, it'll move faster. And I don't want to give my login information. I don't want to share that. Okay, so if you look inside of the academy, here's where you will start. New members start here, right? And let me just move the mouse now, as you can see my wheel is spinning. Trade Finder is actually some software that help you find trades. So when most people get into the academy, and I guess I accidentally clicked it, so since I clicked it, let's let it load. When most people get into the academy, they're not really good at trading yet, right? So they still want to make money. So the Trade Finder actually help you find trades to help you profit. Now, let me say this like Reginald would say it. You're not going to win every trade. No software, no trading platform, nowhere can guarantee that you will win 100% of your trades, you guys. I am winning more than I'm losing. Your goal is to stay in profit. Let's just say it more like that. As long as you're in profit, some of the trades that you put in, you're not going to win them. The market is not 100% predictable, okay? Okay, so this is I scroll down because I don't know what I clicked. Okay, here's the actual academy. So getting started at Forex Fundamental Part 1, and I have no clue where my notebook is. When I went in and started, when I took notes, I actually labeled the notes per video, if that makes sense. So I'll know what video I got those notes from. So if I don't understand my notes, I always go back and look at the video, which I haven't had to because I took really, really great notes. In Forex Fundamentals Part 1, it tells you what Forex is. It is just currency trade. Who runs the market? We do. We all do. We all determine how the market flows due to economics, right? But all of that is in Forex Fundamentals. Okay, so that's that. You would need to look at all of this, and you would need to go at your own pace. You will need to take notes, and actually it goes all the way down to advanced level trading view tutorial. If you have traded before and you were on a legitimate platform, you should know what trading view is. They have a free account where you can, what you can do is limited. Do I use TradingView all the time? No. So I do not pay for the platform. And then it actually tells you how to download MetaTrader 4 for either your desktop, Android, or iPad. I mean, Apple. And then we go into the webinar replays. So we have webinars regularly, and you have access to everything. Like, nothing is top secret. If you work and you cannot actually attend the training, then you will have access to any trainings that are done. Okay, so now we can go to the training vault. And I have to make this quick because I believe I only have about 10 to 15 minutes on this screen share with the free account. So if you didn't catch something the first time, just relook at this video. Okay, so we have replays. Replays, we have 3 weekly trainings. One is called Forex Talk. That's where if you have any questions or concerns about Forex, we have a gentleman by the name of Manny. He's willing and to go over any questions or concerns you may have with just trading and your Forex experience. It's just like a Forex talk. Do I attend very often? No, because I don't have any questions. But we also have trainings to show you how to use any software, how to implement the new things that are added to this website. So it's not added and you don't have any training, okay? So these replays go back all the way from 2018 to 2020. Okay, let's get out of here. And then let's go back to, which I started to, but my computer took me somewhere else. So I'm just going to let the computer let it flow. Reginald, our visionary, even came up with this platform because he didn't have to. Once you learn a skill like this, it's not really necessary for you to even have any an academy, because he would have made money with or without this platform. So again, I'm just really grateful to our visionary Reginald Stinson, which is probably currently in the Telegram now, and I will show you guys. I will give you a glimpse. Please do not request to be in the Telegram. They know if you are part of UOP or not before they actually allow you into the Telegram. Or to give you a glimpse, if you're on the fence and you're not sure if this is a legitimate platform, that's the reason why I'm sharing this. But, be mindful that if you are not a paying customer, don't request to be into the Telegram group. Okay, so Trade Finders. And is loading. Yeah, you guys, I actually changed, while this is loading, I changed all my hangers out to hookable hangers, which are so awesome. So I ordered 200 to start out. You guys, with my jeans or pants, the 200 is gone, and it is consumed strictly by rompers, dresses, and shirts. I have to have my own closet, and it's a walk redone everything, you guys. So that's where I've been for the last like 3 or 4 days, is organizing my closet. So now I have to throw out all of these store hangers. I would always tell the store to give me hangers because I didn't have any. And so I decided to actually cleaned my closet the other day, and I pulled everything out, and I swept, and I just really, really went in there, and now I like going in my closet. The first thing I did this morning after I said my affirmations, oh my goodness, this is taking way too long. After I said my affirmations, I went in my closet just to look around and see all the work I've done. Well, If you could see at the very top, it says Forex, a UOP Forex member traderfinder.com. It may be a whole lot of reasons why this is not loading. It could be because I'm doing the screen share, and I actually got out of my Awanda and Awanda and you guys, I don't even know how to say it. Owanda account. That's my trading account. So it's not gonna load for me. See, I don't know for whatever reason why it's not loading. It could be because I'm doing the screen share and they just don't want to cooperate. Let's close this. So I have some other things that I want to show you before we run out of time. Okay, so we also do a weekly analysis. See, weekly market outlook for June 15th. Now today is the 18th. It goes over and it lasted about 40, let's see, 50 minutes. So Manny go over what he predict the market may do and give you some ideas of what trades to go into. He don't tell you because again, nothing is guaranteed, nothing is promised, but he actually help you see where he telling you to put your stop orders, all of this stuff. So I'm actually giving you a nugget right here. This is AUDJUJPY, and he actually went over some other currencies in this video, and I kept it up. Now let's go over here to the Telegram. You will have access to 2 Telegrams. One is for automatic trading, auto trading, and one is our actual VIP group. And I don't know how you get access to that VIP group. I don't know what you have to pay, you guys. I've been with this company since the end of 2017, if I'm not mistaken. I have to go and check my emails. I know I've been with this great visionary Reginald Stinson for the last 3 years with this program. So I don't know how you get access to that. Once you sign up for the group, or once you sign up for UOPFX, you will receive a series of emails with your login information, your software codes and logins. What software do we use? Auto trading software tools here. This video is going to cut off in 15 minutes, whether I like it or you like it or not. Hopefully I gave you the information that you are looking for. If you're on the fence, I love it. I love it. Like I said, I went to bed late or early this morning actually trading, and I have 2 trading accounts. Oanda, which is U.S. federally regulated, and then I have TraderWay. What's the difference? Let me give you a quick difference. And if you see software, tools, and downloads, you guys, see, you have everything that you need to be a successful trader with this platform. Once you sign up here, there's no need to go anywhere else. See, Trade Manager, Trade Finder, help you find trades to go into. Scalping, I absolutely. How do I trade? I scalp. Elliott Wave, Trend Assassin, Sweetbox, just everything that you need to be successful with trading is over here. His videos show you how to download this software. You will have codes and logins. Remember that you cannot share the software or your login. It cannot be on more than 2 computers because they have a way of knowing. And if they know that you have shared your login with someone else, you will no longer have access to this platform, and your login will not work. You're pretty much banned for life. So please don't share. If you decide to sign up for this, do not share any of your login information. So this video is about to end. Hopefully I addressed any questions or concerns. I do scalping. I like scalping, and I do not do, I just free scalp. I like scalping. If I have time to sit at my computer or hold my phone, I will scalp. That's where I make the most of my profits. But you will learn how to enter in a trade with take profit and stop loss. If you don't know any of this lingo, it's because you have not studied Forex trading. Until next time, you guys, stay fearless. Love you. Bye.